like this. Every day we can see plastic bottles, plastic bags and wrappers are thrown everywhere. Most people think the problem is something that we can see. But actually, the bigger problem is the something that we can't even see. Have you ever heard about microplastic?
Microplastics aren't those tiny pieces of plastic?
Exactly. And now they are becoming a huge environmental problem.
So, what exactly are microplastics? As we know, microplastics are tiny plastic particles that less than 5 millimeters in size. Imagine this bottle being left outside for years. It won't disappear. Instead, it breaks into smaller and smaller until it becomes thousands of tiny plastic particles.
And that's where chemistry comes in. Plastic are made of long chain of molecules called polymers. When they are exposed to sunlight, especially UV rays, the chemical bonds will start breaking down. Rain and heat also will cause the plastic to fragment into tiny particles called microplastics.
So, the plastics doesn't actually disappear.
Nope, it'll just become smaller and smaller, and that's what makes it dangerous.
Wait, is size the only problem?
Not really. Many plastic contain chemicals such as BPA. These chemicals can slowly leak into the environment. Scientists believe that they can interfere with hormones in animal and human.
So, it's not just the plastic itself.
Exactly. The chemicals of the plastic can be harmful too.
And that's not all. Microplastic can be found in the seafood, rainwater, and also the air we breathe.
Yo, seriously?
Yes, because marine can also sometimes be confused between their food and also microplastic material. When they eat, the microplastic can be thrown into the food chain and also will be end up in our pellets.
So, we are actually eating plastic.
In a small amount, yes. Science has found microplastic in our blood and also lungs. So it's very important to know.
I thought this was only a local problem. Not anymore. Scientists have found in a small area and also far away from city also affected with this problem.
Which means plastic pollution doesn't stay where it's tight. It can travel through water, air, and ecosystem.
Okay, enough of the problem. Now let's talk about the solutions.
Good idea. What can we do?
First, we must reduce single-use plastic. Instead of buying bottled water every day, use a reusable bottle. And instead of using plastics, bring your reusable bag.
That seems simple enough.
Exactly. Small changes can make a big difference.
Recycle is important too. When we recycle properly, we will be less the plastic in the river and also the ocean.
Scientists are also developing biodegradable materials and also better recycling techniques.
Using chemistry, researchers are finding ways to reduce pollution and create more sustainable products.
So chemistry is not just explaining the
It's
problem.
happy solving it too.
At the end of the day, protecting environment is the only government responsibility.
It's everyone's responsibility.
Every plastic bottles we refuse
Every reusable bag we carry,
And every informed choice we make,
Can help reduce plastic pollution.
stop plastic pollution, protect our future.
Small action,
big impact,
cleaner environment.
Better future.